In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Copilot for your SharePoint library. Let's start by getting to the right place. Open your browser and navigate to the SharePoint site or the specific document library you want your Copilot to use. Make sure you're signed in and that you can access the content you plan to include. If your site is large, it's a good idea to go straight to the library or folder that holds the most relevant documents so your Copilot stays focused and accurate. Once you're on the site, it's time to begin the setup. Look to the upper right and click the Copilot icon. If you don't see it there, open the new menu and choose Create an Agent. This launches a streamlined flow that walks you through setting up your Copilot without leaving your current context. Next, choose the data your Copilot will rely on. Select the specific files or folders that will ground its knowledge. Think of this like curating a reading list. Include the most current authoritative documents and avoid duplicates or outdated drafts. The tighter and cleaner your selection, the better your Copilot will perform. Remember, it can only answer from what you've given it access to, so pick carefully and keep it relevant to the questions you expect to ask. Now, customize the basics so your Copilot feels clear and approachable. Give it a concise name that reflects its purpose, such as Policies and Procedures Copilot, Project Phoenix Knowledge Agent. Add a description that sets expectations, like what topics it covers and the best way to ask for help. Choose an icon that stands out at a glance. Then set friendly welcome messages that greet users and suggest ways to begin, for example. Sample prompts are a short note on the types of questions it handles best. This small bit of guidance goes a long way in helping people get useful results on the first try. You're ready to use it right away? Start asking questions about your content just as you would with a knowledgeable teammate. Be specific and use keywords from your documents to guide the Copilot toward the right sources. If an answer feels too broad, follow up with a clarifying question to narrow the scope. Because it's grounded in the files and folders you selected, you can trust that responses are drawn from your organization's content. And that's all there is to it. Navigate to your site, initiate creation, select the right data, customize the basics, and start putting your Copilot to work immediately.